So we're going to be at the Tough Truck, Delaware County Fair, Tuesday night, the 20th September.
Alright, we're getting ready.
First truck of the night. The woman driver, I think.
Make some noise for Michelle.
She's making it. It takes a few trucks to knock the humps down, and usually the first one breaks in half. That's good. Good, made it through there. We have a new announcer too.
Great job, Michelle. While we wait for Michelle's time, let's get Dalton Irvine, I'm sorry. Ready? Nathan Stein, you're on deck. Mike Cunningham, you're in the hole.
This truck looks familiar. This is my first fair of the year.
Total time for Michelle, 136.75. Let's get Dalton out here. He's on the line. Watch the light.
Cherokee. Making 3 passes like that. Get it down to under a minute. Boom! Try that last.
Nice run for Dalton Irvine. Up next, we're going to bring up Nathan Stein, Mike Cunningham.
Oh, Honda Element, man. This might get interesting.
Deleware stock. You're in the hole.
It's got a license plate on it, doesn't it? Well, they don't even make it. That's a classic, man. So far, so good. Hit the sand. Huh. Getting her done, the Honda. Hey, that's a classic. Well, felt like he popped something. Was that an airbag? The inertia switch shut it off yet? It looks like he's driving crooked. Your reverse lights are on all the time. He threw the linkage out. Or she. The windshield wiper went. Oh man, that hurt. That hurt, man. They felt that. Oh, yeah. And it did it again. It drove sideways for some reason. The computer threw off, I would say. The reverse lights are off. Huh.
Alright, as a reminder, those people along the fence, we need you guys to be sitting down. I know it's exciting to see all the trucks. You got to be sitting down.
It's nice to have a new announcer. I'll tell you, that old one, man.
All the way down.
Here we go. Cherokee Chief.
Up next, Mike Cunningham, the second. Kennerly Loose Stock, you're on deck. Dylan Thomas, you're in the hole.
He does over the big one after about that pole too. Oh, he can't straighten it out. And he went around it or took the smaller one. Not sure. I was hoping he'd catch some air at the last. Anyway. Yep, that's it. We're in Delaware. Oh, we got one more. He's gonna try to do it. Here we go.